Welcome to our channel, Decor Land. Today, we're diving into the world of exquisite wooden hand-carved console tables with mirrors. If you're looking to elevate your home decor, you're in the right place. Console tables are not just functional, they are a statement piece that can transform your space. From entryways to living rooms, these elegant designs add character and charm to any area. Let's explore 100 stunning design ideas that showcase the artistry of wooden hand carving and the beauty of mirror. 1. Classic elegance. Picture a traditional console table with intricate floral carvings paired with an ornate mirror. This timeless combination evokes a sense of sophistication. 2. Rustic charm. How about a reclaimed wood console table with a weathered finish? Paired with a simple, round mirror, it brings warmth and a cozy feel to your home. 3. Modern minimalism. For a sleek look, consider a console table with clean lines and subtle carvings, complemented by a geometric mirror. Perfect for contemporary. 4. Vintage vibes. A vintage hand-carved table with a distressed look combined with an antique mirror can transport you back in time, adding a nostalgic touch. 5. Artistic flair. Imagine a console table with bold, abstract carvings and a uniquely shaped mirror. This duo can be a conversation starter in any room. As we showcase these design ideas, think about your own space. Which style resonates with you? Whether you prefer the ornate details of traditional designs or the simplicity of modern aesthetics, there's something for everyone. 6. Cultural inspirations. Explore pieces inspired by different cultures, such as Indian or Moroccan designs, featuring intricate carvings and vibrant colors that stand out. 7. Nature-inspired. Look for tables with nature motifs, like leaf patterns or animal carvings. They bring a touch of the outdoors inside, especially when paired with a nature-themed. Remember, the right console table can enhance not just your hallway, but also your overall home ambiance. As we wrap up, let these 100 design ideas inspire you to find the perfect wooden hand-carved console table with a mirror that reflects your unique style. Thank you for watching.